The Excel if function is a useful way to test for conditions in a spreadsheet and do computations based on the conditions. In this particular example, we want to check to see if the value in cell B1 is greater than the value in cell B2. If it is, then we're going to subtract B2 from B1. If it's not, we're going to put the value 0 in as our result. To start, you select the cell where you want the result of the if function to appear, in this case cell B3, and then you start the if just like any other formula using the equal sign. Next you type in if, and then an opening parenthesis, and then the logical test, and you can see the prompt right below the cell I'm working in. In this case, we want to check to see if B1 is greater than B2, so we just type in that logical comparison. Next, we need to specify what to do if that condition is true. So we'll place a comma, and then we'll put the formula to be computed if the condition is true, only we don't start with an equal sign. We just type in the formula itself. So we want to subtract B2 from B1, so we type in B1 minus B2. Finally, we put what to do if the condition is false. And in this case, we're just going to put 0 in as the result. So we'll put a comma and 0, and then the closing parenthesis. As you can see in this example, the basic structure of the if statement is the logical comparison, what to do if that comparison is true, and what to do if that comparison is false. Notice, as I mentioned, we don't put an equal sign inside the if statement before our formulas. We just put the formulas, and we don't have to specify where the result of the if statement is going to go because it's going to go in the cell containing the if statement. So we say equal if, opening parenthesis, condition, comma, true action, comma, false action, closing parenthesis. And then hit enter, and we've put our if statement in place. Let's just change the data real quick. We'll make A1 20, and our result should be 0.